This is a portable mini DV, and the main function is the 4x digital zoom with 1.8 TFT LCD screen. Support max 32 GB SD card. And on the back, the battery are leaded. Please note that before you power on the mini DV, you have insert the SD card and the battery. And pay attention that the batteries and the SD card are not included. Press the power button for about 2 or 3 seconds to power on the mini DV. And on the right of the power button is the menu. On the top is the shortcut for the menu buttons. And on the screen side, there are 3 buttons. The top one is to zoom in, and the middle one is for zoom out, and on the bottom is the model switch. On the other side of the DV, there are select button. It's just for take pictures and videos. For output, there are an USB and an AV port. On the top of the DV, there are 2 buttons. These buttons have the same function of these 2. At first, you have to set up the DV. Press the menu button. Use zoom in and zoom out to choose. And in the DV setup, you can choose to set up the sounds, auto view, power frequency, power save, date and time. Now I'll show you how to set up the date and the time. Press the OK button and use zoom in and zoom out to set up. And use the up and the down to switch. After setup, press OK button and the date and the time have been saved. You can also set up the language. Press OK button and choose the language you prefer. Press the menu button and enter into the picture setup mode. You can set up the resolution of the picture. Press up and down buttons to choose. And press OK button to make sure. There are 3 modes to choose. Picture mode. Press snap to take the picture. Press the mode button to change to DV mode. And the voice record mode.